Hello YouTube, fix your PC did not start correctly, so you need to be go advanced option, then different solution work for different problem. Hit the troubleshoot option, then you need to advanced option, go to command prompt and write here sfc space / CSCANNAOW and enter. Wait a little bit. Then you need to write to another code which is chkdsk space / f and your Windows drive, install drive, which is for my side it's C drive, that's why C, and hit enter. Wait a little bit. After that you need to cross the interface and hit the continue button. It will be solved. Hope you like, share and subscribe please.